Welcome to HCEM. We are a professional manufacturer of AC and DC solar-powered aerator pumps. Our factory capacity is more than 80,000 units every month. Aeration system is one of our specialties at HCEM. Over the last 20 years we've tried and tested all types of pond and lake aerators. Aeration is not cheap, but when you consider the value and the benefits aeration brings, it's absolutely worth investing in. Our system include the compressor, diffusers and sinking hose. We can supply all parts for you. Some of the main advantages of our system are: 1. Completely out of sight, much better than having a big ugly paddle wheel sat out on the lake. 2. Oil-free pumps, almost maintenance-free. Each year the pump will require a service kit to be fitted. 3. Virtually silent, the pumps are extremely quiet, just about 50 dB. Very quiet. 4. Longer working life, greater than or equal to 10,000 hours continuously, save more money.